Alright guys, today we're going to be reacting to the new Mercedes UNIMOG Ultimate Off-Road Machine. Man, look at that, bro. That looks so German, man. Squared. 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Crazy, huh? Crazy. Let's see what's going on here. Make sure you like to subscribe. Let's jump in. And it sounds German too. You see what I'm saying? Sound like a tank. It's heavy and light, huh? Whoa. See how it goes like this and then keep going forward? That's crazy, right? That's testing it. Yep. Strong grip. Look at that. Whoa. See how look at that, you see? To the side. They're testing this one. Like a mini truck. That's a nice space to just try it right there. Yep. That's a great way to test it. You know what I'm saying? Because clearly the point of balance is right here. But it's still attached to it. It's easy to just go to the left side. But it's not. Look at that. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Has a lot of strength. A lot of hump into it, right? That's crazy, my G. Crazy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that trunk. Look at that. That is a hard. Let's see how the Mercedes does it. Okay, so they didn't go through it. They just went to the side. Nice, friend. Nice. This is the thing when it comes out to these kind of truck, if you want that's not only that strength but the grasp, right? That you know you're not gonna get stuck. This will be perfect for people from the south of the United States. You live in Louisiana, Texas, proud of Tennessee. I'll be perfect. In the mountains in North Carolina, Colorado. See, it feels odd a little. Yeah, how smooth it is now. Great technology. Smooth. It doesn't even. It's light enough. It's light enough. It's not gonna break the street or the roads, but it's heavy enough where it can just. It can get the job done. Oh. Here's that engine. Ooh. That's a beautiful area. Ooh, look at that. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. It's good to see European ingenuity in work, man. Clearly, I don't know if you guys use a lot of construction in Germany because a lot of regulation. You guys have to let me know how that works over there. But clearly, that can works like that where they have to go to the woods and make sure they can just get some of that very rough equipment move from one place to the other. And how common is this type of machine truck used in Europe? I would like to know. I generally would like to know because Europe is very interesting in the sense that it's not like the United States. We have so much land that we don't use. However, in the land of Europe, you guys clearly used it mostly everything. You guys used mostly everything. So I'm wondering. I'm wondering, and let me see if I can just rephrase this correctly. I'm wondering if this is something that you guys are going to be using not only in Germany, but France, Spain, Austria, or let me just go a little bit north, Switzerland. No, Switzerland is a little bit south. Norway, all those places you go a little bit north where you have more mountains, stuff like that. I might be wrong here, right? There might be more mountains in the south of the Europe, but this will be a nice truck to use it in those areas, right? In those areas. And I would like to know how well this will work in the United States because we have a lot, especially when it comes down to Colorado, Wyoming, New Mexico, that area, Nebraska. There's a lot of Rocky Mountains, very Rocky Mountains. And the thing about the Rocky Mountains, they're not as solid as regular rocks. They're just not solid. That's why a lot of those places they don't build high buildings because the land would not sustain it. But let me know what you guys see in the comment section below. Like always, guys, I will see you in the next one.